Hi guys, it's Mamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest, my beautiful niece, Emma Grace. I call her EGAF for Emma Grace Angel Face. And today we did our fairy gardens. Right, Em? Mm-hmm. No, she's acting all shy. She was just bouncing off the walls 5 seconds ago. Now with the camera on her, she acts all shy and innocent. Look at her. You silly goose. So let's show everybody what we did, Em. This is the fairy garden we made for her. Let's see if I can. The sun's out, guys, so.
Well, that goes
it's because it's on the
ledge.
That goes on the coffee table there.
There we go.
Okay. So this is the corner. When you walk into this fairy garden, you have this welcome sign here, and we made a pathway to the house, which is straight back in the corner there, where there's this adorable fairy walking her little baby boy. And then to the right, we have our little sitting area with this fairy and then the little girl reading. Emma likes to read too, don't you, Em?
Yeah.
What are you going to read this summer, being home?
I Am Malala.
Oh, I'm so excited for that book. I want to read that too. We'll read it together. So over here we have another little welcome sign. It's hard to see, guys. It's in the sun, so I apologize for that. And then we have this area here was the playground area. We have a slide there on the pebbles. This is so cute. And then we have this beautiful fairy that's swinging on the swing set. So that's part of the playground. And then Emma wanted a pond this year. So the bridge is over the stream, we called it actually, not a pond. It's over the stream with her little bunny. And that's a beautiful little bridge. And then, of course, oh yeah, and that fairy too, with the pretty baby. And then over here, of course, Emma loves horses, and she rides horses, so she had to have a little area, a little pen, would you call it?
Paddock.
A little paddock, okay, with her horses, fenced in with a little fence. Isn't it adorable? Oh yeah, and the dog. Of course there has to be a dog. Emma's a big time lover of animals. And then look at this cute little the bird bath, Em. Point out the bird bath. Right there. Isn't that cute?
With the little eggs and a leaf and the little baby with the blue jays. And we want to put these there because there's like blue jays on the welcome sign.
Yep.
So.
Cool.
And a little squirrel.
Oh yeah, and a little squirrel. Well, it's dark right here because the sun's hitting it funny. So it's a weird kind of shadow. So we made this today, guys. And then over here,
wait, don't get me.
lead the way, to my little one that, this is my 4th of July one that I will trade out for seasons that I keep in the house. We have
Little Caution's Fairy Live here.
Yeah.
Flying.
Ladybug Crossing. And then we have
Little grill.
oh yeah, let me get over here. We have a grill that has the flag on it. And then this cool banner here that says, God Bless America. And this picnic table, it's really kind of too big for this. But because it was so festive for 4th of July, we just had to use it. So Emma decided to put this cute fairy sitting on the picnic table. And these are all real plants here. These are all succulents that I had already planted. I basically just moved them around and we just made this cute little fairy garden. And what I'll do is switch it out for seasons. And we'll switch it out right now because we have stuff for Halloween.
Fall, spring, kind of.
And Christmas. We have a ton of stuff that you got me.
We both have a ton of stuff for Christmas.
So we'll switch all this stuff out seasonally so it go with, with our house decor. It'll go good with that.
It's bright out.
I know, right? So anyways, do you have anything else to say to everybody before we sign off? Happy summer, maybe? Have a nice summer.
You can get ideas from these.
Yes. Thanks for helping me today, Ann. I appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.